Today we're going to talk about 3D Recon and a tool we developed to use with 3D Recon called 3D Recon Painter. 3D Recon is our subsea modeling tool that builds high-resolution geospatially correct models of things that we image subsea. 3D Recon contains stereo cameras and an inertial measurement unit. We developed 3D Recon Painter to allow us to efficiently plan for data acquisition with 3D Recon. We can import an STL file or a CAD shape file into 3D Recon Painter, run the tool, and then when we run the tool we set up line spacing, along track speed and offset from the structure, and we see how much data we collect and what our coverage is like in a simulation. Then when we actually go offshore, we again use 3D Recon Painter and we run it in real time with a string that comes out of 3D Recon with our navigation data showing what our actual coverage in real time is depending on where the ROV is with respect to the structure. So in the planning stage we see an estimate of how long it's going to take to collect the data. We see an estimate of data volumes, how many terabytes for the data that we're going to collect. And then in real time it also allows us to change the color of the structure from red to green to show what we've actually collected enough data on to make sure that we've got raw data saved to file that will allow us to process to the high resolution model that we need. We recently used this tool for the first time in the field on a project in Australia where we imaged 419 structures. So during that project 3D Recon Painter went live offshore, and we have video of it which I believe is going to be shown here where 3D Recon Painter was used in earnest. The future goal of 3D Recon Painter is to allow us to disconnect from sending surveyors or specialists offshore with 3D Recon. We should be able to just send the equipment offshore, connect up to 3D Recon Painter, and then the ROV crew should be able to fly the vehicle in front of the structure, and we should just, within the modeling component of 3D Recon Painter, make sure they paint the whole structure green. That means then we have the data saved to hard drives, saved to storage, to allow us to process that high resolution model. That's 3D Recon Painter. Take a look at the video.